My name is Mrs. Yvonne Perkins, and we have lived here a good 40 years. This is my first year doing gardening, and I don't like bugs. I can't deal with that. So I heard somebody talking about container gardening, and I'm like, I think I can do that. We had a doghouse that I converted first of all to the garden, and then I decided I wanted the real thing. So then I was looking and seeing all the different things about the beautiful greenhouses, and I got it. I have enjoyed to just go out there bug-free and deal with my vegetables. If I grow my own, I know where they come from. And I know there's no pesticides because you don't use anything. So I can both save money and enjoy healthy food. Yeah.